The great land, north to the future. There's only one place it could be, Alaska. Alaska isn't just any state, it's the largest state with the tallest mountain, Mount McKinley, at 20,328 feet tall. If you go to Alaska, you must be prepared to go on some awesome, cool, cold places, like on a cruise to see whales, go swimming, but not in the ocean, and look at beautiful glaciers. If you go on a hike in Alaska, you might see some wildlife, like brown, grizzly, or polar bears. Maybe even a puffin, a type of bird, and I think it's the coolest animal ever. The reason Alaska became a state is because President Dwight D. Eisenhower approved and signed the statehood of Alaska. Thank you, President, for making a great choice on the great land.
Hawaii, the state that has over 2,500 plants that can be found nowhere else in the world. Just imagine all of those unfamiliar plants that grow mysterious fruits and leaves. For example, the macadamia nut tree can grow nearly thousands of macadamia nuts that grow on one single tree. There are more interesting facts about thousands of other plants that are just as interesting as the macadamia nut tree, such as the noni, mango, and cinnamon tree. One fun fact about each of those three plants is that the noni plant was one of the best medical plants that can be grown in Hawaii. One fun fact about the mango tree is that it grows very juicy fruits known as the mango. Fun fact known for the cinnamon tree is that it grows many bulbs of cinnamon that if you squish that mini bulb of cinnamon, out would come little grains of cinnamon. There are thousands more interesting plants that grow along the coasts and islands of Hawaii.
Hi, my name is Sean, and I will be telling you about Nebraska today. Here's the state bird. Nebraska's state bird is a bird for some other states. The bird is a western millbird. The state bird represents the state, and the state bird is important to the state because it's the thing that makes the state stand out. The state fish. Nebraska's state fish is very important to the state. It's important because it represents the state. The fish is the channel catfish. The fish is what they fish for in Nebraska. State flower. Nebraska's state flower is very important. It's important because it's the state flower of Nebraska. The state flower is the goldenrod. The goldenrod can be in different colors. State mammal. Nebraska's state mammal is important for a reason. It's important because it's the state mammal. The state mammal is the white-tailed gator. State tree. Nebraska's state tree is important to the state because it represents the state. The name of the tree is the cottonwood. They're found lots of places in Nebraska.
Alki, which means hope for the future. It's a beautiful day today outside, isn't it? Guess what I'm going to tell you about? Washington's outdoor facts. Did you know that Washington's state bird is an American goldfinch? The goldfinch is orangish yellow and has Washington's state tree is the western hemlock. The hemlock has white flowers and green leaves. Is the steelhead trout. It is silver and its fins are black. Washington's state flower is the rhododendron. It is different shades of pink. Hope you enjoyed!